This is how to update n8n on Docker Desktop fast, simple, and clean. First, open Docker Desktop on your computer. You'll see a sidebar on the left, click Containers. Find the n8n container in that list and stop it. That's basically like hitting pause. It makes sure nothing breaks while you swap in the new version. Once that's done, head over to Images on the same sidebar. Under the Local tab, look for the n8n image. Click the little three-dot menu next to it and choose Pull. That tells Docker to grab the latest version straight from Docker Hub. It takes a bit to download, so just let it finish. When the bar fills up, you'll notice a new image appear at the top. The old one usually gets renamed to None, which just means it's outdated but still sitting there. Now, switch back to containers for a second. You'll see that old n8n container again. Go ahead and remove it, click the trash bin icon, and confirm when the pop-up shows up. Once it's gone, Docker's ready for the fresh container. Before starting the new one, clean up the leftovers. Go back to Images, find the one labeled None, and delete it if it's no longer in use. That keeps your setup neat and avoids mixing versions later. After that, you should only see one n8n image, the new one you just pulled. Now comes the setup part. Select the latest image and hit Run. Expand optional settings to tweak the setup. Give it the name n8n, set the host port to 5678, and then volumes. For the host path, pick the folder where your n8n data lives, usually in Users, your username, then the n8n folder. For the container path, type /home/node/.n8n. Check that everything looks right, then click Run to start. Docker will switch to the Logs tab automatically. Watch for the message that says n8n is ready. It usually takes a few seconds. Once it's up, open your browser and go to localhost 5678. Inside n8n, click What's New from the sidebar. If it says 0 versions behind, you're good. You're now running the newest release and your setup's clean, organized, and ready for your next workflow.